You know those days when you don't feel like doing much, but somehow you find yourself in the kitchen grating carrots like it's your therapy session. Yes, that's today. Carrot halwa? Yes. Not because it's a festival, not because guests are coming over. No, no, not today at least. But just because I wanted my home to smell like childhood and cardamom and that stubborn ghee smell which never leaves even after hours and makes you question why did you even commence cooking with ghee in the first place. And honestly, in a world obsessed with 2x speed and multitasking and the whole hustle, this literal dish feels like a little rebellion. I know every home in India does this a bit differently. That's the thing. There's no one way. Just stories told in flavors. When I was in a boarding school and later in a college hostel, these little luxuries didn't exist. Food was seen as something quick, practical, rushed. Those metal plates on which you just served a scoop of rice and some hard roti. No time for second servings, no time for softness. Back then, a bowl of carrot halwa felt like a piece of a luxury, a reminder of warmth, of home, of being taken care of without having to ask. Now, when I make it myself, slowly, without shortcuts, it feels like I'm making up for all those years missed, stirring memories back to life, reclaiming a ritual I once didn't realize I needed. It's strange how food becomes emotional. If you've ever missed home or the comfort of a small moment, maybe this is for you too. This isn't about the final dish, it's about the in between moments, the ones we often rush through. The soft bubbling, the textures changing, the colors deepening. There's peace in paying attention. Of course, there's no shortcut here. Just stirring and waiting for an eternity, and maybe overthinking everything while pretending like I'm in a movie. Lately, I've been craving spaces that aren't loud, not just online but in real life. This video isn't a tutorial, but just a quiet hour in my day I shared with you.